Well, I will start a new job here today. It's my new channel, my English channel. Have no much persons here, and I can to do lives. Only when I bring any persons for follow this channel, I will show you lives like the other lives that I make in other countries. Well, for today, I have here a quadcopter. Let me see if this. No, it's the quadcopter I will repair now. This is harder. No, this is for the next day that I will repair. Well, where is the quadcopter? 1 minute. Oh, who's this? I'm mistaken. I have started a mistake. Well, the quadcopter is too. It's bad. I was thinking that the situation here could be better, but it's not. Let me see what I need to do here. The owner tried to repair this quadcopter in your house. Well, I talk about this every day here in this channel, other channels too, because if you need to change anything, you need to some experience. You need to be skilled. I'm not thinking that you need to be like Tesla. You could be only like Thomas Edison. Well, Tesla was a good thinker. Thomas Edison was a good seller and stole some ideas from Tesla. Well, this is my thought, and I'm right for thought this. Think that, and people are responsible for all the damage in this planet, for the war. Yes. Where United States arrive, starts a war. What United States think to do when dominate all the countries? What have to do when all the countries will be dominated by United States? Why? Why you need all the resources from other countries? Why you need to start a civil war? Why? For the gold? For the oil? Technology? Could save this world. We could be now using, start the use of electrical vehicles. But no. We need to sell the oil. We are businessmen. Businessman. Businessman is my cock, man. You don't need to control the world, United States. You are destroying a lot of places. And when dominate all the world. What you think that you could be with the trash? Huh? A lot of bodies dead in all the places without nothing. And you think that who will buy your products? Stop your purpose. No. Because this world won't be regenerated. And the nature spend a lot of time to forget all the destruction arised by United States and other countries who want to dominate all the people, dominate the world. This is only a small planet. This is nothing. or sun is too small. And if the money stop to dominate your minds, you start to think better than today about the money and about the development purpose. Well, no, I need to replace this quadcopter, and I will try to left this quadcopter perfect. I will change here flat cable because there's no function. It's not the major. There's conditions for function, but I need to try an other because it's the older version. There are two versions for this quadcopter. I will try for see if there is conditions to move. If there is condition to move, I finish this job and finish the repair. But if there is no move here, we have a great problem to solve. Yes, I have a great problem to solve. Flat cable. Have a great sensitivity. We have to place the flat cable with perfection for function. Here, the first thing I need to see if this flat cable can move the gimbal. If it moves, I start the second part of this repair because it wasn't without move. I need to arrive any move here. It needs only start the calibration because without no one work here, there's nothing to do. Okay, now I will see if there's conditions for start the job. The battery. Let me see. Nothing. But it has conditions for generate images. I need to see again. I need to see it again. I will change the first motor. I come back the it's not so good. This motor is not so good. But I will try. On a minute and I will change this motor. And I come back. This is a damaged motor, but I will try. Start the move with this motor. Well, after a time I'm here again. Now I need to see if this quadcopter will move this gimbal. Battery. It has moved. Now I need to wait a minute for no, it's calibrated and it's perfect. It's good. 1 minute. No, no. I can't. Finally. Okay. And I will talk about the situation now. When you have a gimbal with one of the motors damaged, the two other motors have no condition for start the calibration. It may be the first motor, the second motor, or the third one. If any motor is damaged or without a perfect conditions for function, there's no move, there is nothing. Okay, now the second part of this job, I need, a minute, I need to do the bind. I don't remember if I have a good condition for binding this drone. Cfly Faith, first you turn on your control. Wait 10 seconds for turn on your quadcopter. The control is a component of navigation system. Now it's good for start. Perfect. I need to see if that is bind condition. Gimbal is okay. And I need to... Oh, it's bounded! Wonderful! It's wonderful! Wow, perfect! All the persons are happy. And this quadcopter, no. It's perfect for function. Let me see. Oh, it's perfect. Wow, Victor, you are wonderful. Okay. Now this is good. It's wonderful. It's perfect. It's wonderful. The first, oh, wow, the GPS system. Wow. Okay. Let's go again. I need to look other thing now. Perfect. It's wonderful. There's nothing here to do. And I will talk about this. When you turn on for the first time the control, wait any moments and turn on your quadcopter, the quadcopter will recognize for the first time your control and the signal are crossed, bounded, fixed, attached. By the second one, oh, this gimbal is wonderful. Okay. Now, I know that the gimbal is perfect, and I need to fix for left this gimbal secure because it has conditions for fly. Okay, it has. But I need to do these conditions safe for don't left the flat cables without security. After the dawn fall, it may be, look, and your quadcopter could be burned. It could be burned. I need a minute. There's no. I need a thing to fix here. All a minute. That. I need to left this quadcopter safe. Really safe. The owner was flying, and this quadcopter followed down. The owner has tried to fix again with a powerful glue, This helicopter arrived here for repair, destroyed. It was dead, really dead. And I've tried to do the resurrection. Now this helicopter will be good again. I've repaired all the things here. I spent a lot of time to left this quadcopter safe. Yes, it was a war, like a civil war. But now this quadcopter will fly, with security, because I'm the best. No, what? I don't need to think other thing. People of all the places calling on my WhatsApp every day trying the solution. But I think that for this century, technology needs to be the worldly language. Know your body color. Know how money you have in your purchase. We are living times that we need to start to think that this planet is only a small planet flying around a small sun. And if you are rich, poor, tall, fat, black, white, old, young, nothing important. You are in the same small planet with all the other people here in this small world. Forget your religion. Forget your money. Forget where you was live, where you was born. Nothing important in this time. Nothing important. If humanity wants to continue living here in this planet, need to forget all these bad things and start really live here like an intelligent space. Without war, without damage to nature, without damage to people. Humanity are poor of thoughts, are poor of ideas. And the countries only think in your own interests. They don't care about nothing. Nothing. I've talked here in Brazil and talked with a lot of persons around the world. I'm specialist in anthropology. I work here with quadcopters after I've been retired of the Brazilian cops. Yes, I'm a cop. And I'm also a writer, composer, singer, and martial artist. And I have some skill in robotics. I think that all with knowledgement and all with a new start, a new age of humanity, this planet will be live the next century. Because if humanity continue living here with these so bad manners, we have no future for human people. And I'm right for think that. I'm studying since 22 years ago all the people, all the human history, all the wars, all the countries. And I arrived in the right thoughts that humanity will destroy this planet the next years. A lot of you are wrong. If you are white, okay. If you are black, thin, fat, tall, small, young, old, You need the same oxygen. You need the same planet. You are not immortal. What you have done for special? What you have done? Have you been planted a tree? Have you been saved or followed animal? What are you doing for this planet? Okay, now I arrive in on a minute because I need one more here, and the owner needs to change the superior part because it's damaged. It's damaged. Okay, I will replace. Oh, it's here. Well, about this quadcopter, I think that now it's good. I think I've worked for solve the situation. A memory card here. Need only one more here. I believe that I have one here. Oh, I have. Okay. Now, the quadcopter has good conditions, but I need to make this quadcopter strong. For finish this job. When I receive here quadcopters for repair, I need to left all the quadcopters perfect. Only send again to the owners when the quadcopter is strong, really strong, because all the quadcopters any day will fall down. And I need to make the quadcopter strong for this time when it fall. And people of a lot of countries try to talk with me. I answer all the persons, but I'm only one, and I received thousand, almost 1,000 messages for a day, any day, each day, and for me it's impossible answer by the same time. And the persons here where I live are impatient, and they may not wait. Any times I'm here with a bad words, but I'm like an angel. I'm a little angel. Well, a little angel. But no. let it. Okay, now I will left this quadcopter powerful. Any day it will be followed, and I need to make this moment so soft for don't damage nothing again. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And now, a secret. Look at the gimbal. We have here the connections, and we have here a place to fix. I need to left the glue, left the protector, and left the superior part to fix perfectly the part. And now it's wonderful. I need to wait that the glue fix with the part, and then this quadcopter will be safe, will be secure. Now I will show. Wow, perfect, perfect. I will show to you. Look that here we have a perfect part. This part I need to use the protector, the hands protector. And now I will fix I need all the no. Perfect. Oh no, I need to change. uh, okay, now this quadcopter is new. Again, I need to get off the gloves. Now this quadcopter is perfect. Perfect, new again. And now I will start to do some flies for see if it's really safe for fly. In the next days I will finish this job and the quadcopter come back again to the owner. Perfect. I've been repaired all my life, almost 7,000 quadcopters. I'm really very skilled to do repair. And I think that quadcopters in a few times will be a great solution for a lot of jobs in all the world. I think. Now we have a new quadcopter. It's wonderful now. Start a minute. General, bind, Fly. Strong. Really strong. Anything here is bad? No, it's everything good. It was calibrating. Okay, quadcopter repaired. A Hugh.